Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Soundcore Sport X10. And to do this you have to pick these two earbuds and put them just right here. And as you can see right now we have to close this case for a few seconds and then open it one more time. And right now we are going to use this button on the back of the charging case. So we have to click and hold it, and now you have to keep that case open and take a look on the front indicators. Right now we are performing the hard reset. When it blinks 3 times we have to release that button, and we successfully perform the hard reset of the Soundcore Sport X10. As you can see, we are not connected anymore. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.